If you input a new formula that is different from existing formulas in a calculated column, the column will automatically update with the new formula. You can see the entire column is updated with the new formula. You can choose to undo the update and only keep the single new formula from the autocorrect options button. This is generally not recommended because it can prevent your column from automatically updating in the future, since it won't know which formula to extend when new rows are added. You must click on autocorrect options and update the formulas. A calculated column can include a cell that has a different formula from the rest. This creates an exception that will be clearly marked in the table. This way, inconsistencies can easily be detected and resolved. Click in the cell and then click on the error indicator. The menu shows the type or error. Click on Restore to Calculated Column Formula to resolve the exception. Calculated column exceptions are created when you do any of the following. Type data other than a formula in a calculated column cell. Type a formula in a calculated column cell and then click on Undo in the Quick Access toolbar. Type a new formula in a calculated column that already contains one or more exceptions. Delete a formula from one or more cells in the calculated column. This exception is not marked. Move or delete a cell on worksheet area that is referenced by one of the rows in a calculated column. You can see the formula references cell H5. Now delete the cell H5. An exception is created in all the rows in the total column. Error notification will only appear if you have the background error checking option enabled. If you don't see the error, then enable background error checking. Click on File and select Options. In the Formulas tab, make sure the Enable Background Error Checking box is checked. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.